transportation has been a focus of private space companies in the past. Do you think that there are opportunities for things like agriculture in space to be innovated anytime soon with some of these private companies?
Yeah, I mean, that's the natural progression of where things will go. As you rightly say, transportation has been the focus, and it's currently the focus for lowering the cost of access to space, and we're getting there. Getting to $1,000 per pound for getting off the Earth, out of the gravity well. So the focus is on propulsion right now in those systems, but we need destinations. Okay, destinations like a space station, or a destination like a lunar base, or eventually a Mars base. And destinations also mean habitation, long-term habitation. First short-term, then eventually long-term settlement, as we reach out into the stars and become a multi-planet species.
Now, as transportation costs diminish, you said maybe $1,000 per pound might be in the future. Is growing food in space an important phenomenon if we can transport for cheaply enough?
So, in the beginning, we're talking short duration stays. We're talking about missions that are 2 to 3 days at a time, maybe weeks at a time. We'll probably bring those materials and foodstuffs with us as well. When we talk about long-term settlement where we have populations of larger than 7 astronauts or 2 astronauts at a time, then and stays are longer than 2 to 3 days at a time, then yes, very much so. And it's not quite well understood how that will work in terms of the technology requirements, in terms of the ability to make these closed systems part of a bioregenerative system, so that when you insert a new element into the biosphere, how that impacts the agricultural system and the air supply system as well. Those things need to be understood, and they're being developed right now in some aspects of the university research that's going on, but not to the degree it needs to be done as well. So I think it's a real good niche to begin to look at, and to start looking at how do we really understand the foodstuffs and the growth of that we'll need to be able to.
Well, terrific. Do you want to talk a little bit about design challenges that you've